Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to scale model size. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select a custom cabinet. Click Customize in the floating window. Enter the Customization tool page. At the top, switch to Select Cabinet. Select the cabinet. Select Scale in the switch control by dragging the direction arrow. The model can be extended, reduced or enlarged in the direction of the selected arrow. When the mouse is stretched to the boundary of other models or walls, there will be an adsorption alignment effect. That's all. Thanks for watching.